guys, it's Rosie. Today we're going to demonstrate for you a product I received for review from a company called BobSweep. This is the bObi Robotic Vacuum Cleaner. So we're going to break away for a minute and we're going to show you exactly how it works. Okay guys, we're back. So we're going to activate the bObi and let it do its thing for a couple of minutes. Okay, now I'm going to pull it back to the docking station. Takes a few minutes for it to find its way, but it will find its way. While it's trying to find its way back to the docking station, I just let you know that it will pick up a small spill as well. It won't mop your entire floor, but if the kids drop some juice or milk or water, it does have the capacity to pick up a small spill. It has a reservoir in there that holds it. Now the docking station is communicating with the bObi and it's calling it back home. And there you have it. The buying and pricing information will be in the blog review. There's a lot of details. I can't really go into it in this video, but they will be in the blog review. So thanks for watching. Hi guys, it's Rosie. Today we're going to